Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. My dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic is writing 5 sentences. It can come in 3 ways. Fill in the blanks, which is time related, and another one is program schedules, and another one is key points. So in program schedules there will be a table or chart and you need to follow it in your writings, and when some key point is given you need to use these key points in your writings. So today we will do model question number 8 and 12. And question number is 11. So let's start the class. Now look, model question 8 and question number is 11. At first we will read this question, and that means read this instruction. Here is a schedule of special programs of your school. Write 5 sentences using months of the year when you will arrange these programs. January is the first month of the year. Now, schedule of special programs. Now look, there are 2 rows. One is months of the year and another one is program title. And months of the year, second month, and program title is book fair. That means in second month of the year there will be book fair. Now third month will be annual sports. In 5th month there will be science fair. In 9th month there will be cultural competition, and in 12th month there will be farewell function for SSC examinees. So this is the program schedule and we will use it in our writings, and we will write 5 sentences by using this program schedule. So at first we need to focus on the month of the year, and we all know that second month of the year is February, and in February there will be book fair. So our first sentence is, in February we will arrange book fair in our school, and we will use preposition in before the name of the month because there is more than one day. So we know that when it is more than one day we will use preposition in front of it. So our first sentence is, in February we will arrange book fair in our school. Now the next row, third month there will be annual sports. So we all know that third month of the year is March. So our second sentence, in March we will arrange annual sports in our school. Now in 5th month there will be science fair, and what is the name of the 5th month? Yes, May. So our third sentence, in May we will arrange science fair in our school. Now the 4th row, there is 9 month of the year, and we all know that 9 month of the year is September, and there will be cultural competition. So our 4th sentence, in September we will arrange cultural competition in our school. Now the last row, this is 12th month of the year. That means, yes, the last month of the year, this is December, and in December there will be farewell function for SSC examinees. So our 5th sentence, that means the last sentence is, in December we will arrange farewell function for SSC examinees in our school. So this is our answer. We use this program schedule in our writing. So whenever you are going to write the answer, you need to focus on this instruction, focus on the month of the year, and you need to write it correctly. So let's read the answer again. In February we will arrange book fair in our school. In March, we will arrange annual sports in our school. In May, we will arrange science fair in our school. In September, we will arrange cultural competition in our school. In December, we will arrange farewell function for SSC examinees in our school. So, this is the answer of question number 11 from model question 8. Now, we will go to model question 12. Now, look, this is model question 12 and this is question number 11 from this model question, and some key points are given in this question and you need to use these key points in your writings. So, let us read the question. Write 5 sentences about the activity of your English teacher considering the following points. And now look, my dear students, there is a special instruction for you. Write the time in numbers and period sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. And the key points are, there are 3 questions. What time does your school start? How many periods does she take? What time does each period start? Now look, before writing the answer, you need to know about the ordinal numbers and you will write time in numbers. So, how will you write the time? Like 1, 2, 3, just like this, or now you will write the ordinal numbers like first, second, third, like this. So, these are called ordinal numbers. So, these are called ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 or 8, and it may be written there, write the time in cardinal numbers. So, on that moment you will use this number, or now you will write the number in time like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, whenever you are going to write the time, we will write the time in numbers and the period sequence in ordinal numbers like first, second, third, or you can also use the short form like first, second, third, till we continue fourth, fifth and sixth. So, dear students, let us read the answer. Now, look, the first key point is what time does your school start? Suppose your school starts at 10 a.m. and how many periods does she take? That means your English teacher suppose your English teacher takes 3 periods. And what time does each period start? So, if each period continues 45 minutes, what will be our answer? Okay, let us read. Our school starts at 10 a.m. Our English teacher takes 3 periods every day. Her first period starts at 10 a.m. with class 5. So, her first period starts at 10 a.m. and our each period continues 45 minutes. So, her second period starts at 10:45 a.m. with class 3 and her third period starts at 11:30 a.m. with class 4. So, now look, there is 45 minutes gap in each period. So, whenever you are going to write the answer, you can change the time according to your wish. So, you can change the time, you do not need to write here 10 a.m. or you can write here 8 or 9 a.m. but you need to follow this instruction. You need to use these key points in your writing. That means, how many periods does your teacher, English teacher take? You need to mention here. Maybe she takes 4 or 5 periods every day. So, you will write your answer like this. So, you can make your own answer or you can follow this answer also. So, dear students, there is a homework. This is number 12 and your homework is question number 11 from model question 11, and this homework is similar to model question number 8. There is given a program schedule and you will follow this answer to do your homework. So, my dear students, I repeat, model question number 11 is your homework. That means you will do question number 11 from this model question number 11, and your answer will be similar to model question number 8, because in this model question program schedule is given and you will use this program schedule to write 5 sentences. So, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. My dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. Your SBA, city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. Dear students, all of you study regularly and listen to your parents. So, that's all for today. See you again. Allah Hafiz.